Hey guys, I got a new opportunity for my Victorinox Compact. I have to replace the battery for the key of my '03 Accord. I have the battery here, a new one, a Panasonic CR1616, which is what they give you at Honda. So let's get started. First, gotta take out this small flathead bit to the Phillips head screw back here. It actually fits perfectly though. We'll take the combo bottle opener, can opener to this slot back here. Stick it in, rotate, then remove the module. Pry open the back so you can take the top off, and then just pop out the old battery. Stick the new battery right in. Let it pop in place. Take the top, align the front, snap in the back. Put the module back in the key, align the back, snap the front. Put the screw in place, and then just screw that back in. That's all there is to it. All right. Take care.